Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today's video is a thrift haul. So this piece is a very Christmas themed piece. I thought he was such a cute Santa. He's got a little sailboat, so my son will love that. He also has a horn and a bag of toys. In there, there is a drum and a little train. I don't know if you can see that, but how beautiful is that little Santa? And he was $5 and I didn't have any problem paying that for him. The next piece I wanted to share with you is this cute little ceramic pheasant, quail. I don't know what it is. It has a green tag and the Goodwill 50% off for green tags, and I have been looking at this little guy for weeks. I kept thinking, no, he's fall, I'm shopping for Christmas, but it was only $2 to begin with and it was 50% off, so I paid $1 for him. I'm probably going to go ahead and use him even though fall is over, but I still think I can fit him in with my Christmas decor. Up next we have a little brass container. This one was $3 and again it is the 50% off, so $1.50. I'm probably going to put some plants in here and I can use this all year long. And me and plated silver. I do not know what my problem is. Every time I see it, I'm like, no, I don't need it anymore, but it jumps in my cart anyway. And that's the case with this little guy. He is tarnished, but I'm going to be polishing that and that will show up beautifully. This one was $3 and at Goodwill, and I did pay full price. I have been looking for brass candlesticks. I have a few, but I was looking for more and I have not been able to find any. I think everybody is in the market right now for brass candlesticks. So when I saw these, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get them, but if you see this hutch behind me, this is the dark wood that I really like. I like dark cherry and mahogany and the darker woods. So this will go great with my decor and I know exactly where I'm going to hang this. I did have two of them and they're 99 cents, red tag, which meant they were 50% off, so it was both of them for $1. This piece I thought was so cute. The words around the top I actually looked up before I purchased this. This is, according to the internet, a vintage brass bell, and in Latin it says, "Whosoever touches me shall hear my voice." And it is a beautiful bell. I saw these on eBay for like $75. This one I bought at Goodwill for $2. I was able to find another brass piece. I'm going to be using this either as a trash can or an umbrella stand. I actually picked this piece up at the Restore and it was $5. So as you can see, this is an easel and I'm actually not sure what I'm going to put on there. I've got a lot of different pictures, so perhaps something will fit nicely on here. But I don't know. What do you think? Does anybody have any suggestions of what I can put on this easel? I did pick this one up for $3. Okay, these next pieces I am just ecstatic about. I don't know if you collect the little villages for Christmas to go under the tree or in your decor, but I have always wanted to collect them, and I just, for whatever reason, never have done it. And this year, I finally started my collection, and you will not believe how much I paid for these. So this is the smallest piece that I picked up. Isn't that pretty? This is a Dickens keepsake from 1995. It is a light, so it doesn't have a light bulb in it, but it does have a cord, and this was $6 just for this. This next piece is a little bit larger, as you can tell. It's only marked with limited edition, oh well, 2001, and I got this for $8. It does have the plug, it's just not here right now. And when I saw these on a shelf, I didn't even realize they had lights in them. So if the light part doesn't work, I'm not upset at all because it didn't occur to me that they were night lights to begin with, but I can just see how beautiful that would be if the lights do work, so that would definitely be a plus. And this is the last one. It is a bit taller as well. How pretty is that? I love all the details. And this one says limited edition, oh well, year 2000. And the two larger ones are $8. I don't know if I said that when I was doing the other one. But, so yeah, I am so thrilled with these. I just think they are gorgeous. They do need to be cleaned up. They are quite dusty. It's going to be a little tedious to get in all the little crevices to get the dust out, but I'm sure I will manage. Here is another piece that I got. It is a sleigh. It's all this intricate detail. And I think for this year, I'm just going to put a little red bag in there and just have it overflowing with candy and sitting on a table. I think that'll be such a cute candy dish. This one I have also been looking at Goodwill for a few weeks. It is a red tag, $3, so I got it for $1.50. I also picked up two pictures, and these are massive pictures. You can see it's leaning up against the console table, so it is quite large. That one I will use for spring and summer, and it was originally $20, but it was 50% off, so I paid $10 for that one. And this one was originally $10, so I paid $5 for it because it's red sticker. I hope you like this. This will be my last haul for this year. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.